Hello and welcome to another day of of trying to keep the streak going. The ninth day. The ninth. Another rainy day. I was lucky that it didn't rain that much during the day, so I had time to get some work done on the chicken run. Though it is going very slowly. Very slowly. Because I'm not really... Well, I only have, a bunch of stuff from the old shed. And I'm just not sure exactly how to design it, But I think it will be sturdy enough this way. And I at least think it will look good, I will not have to do that for the rest of it, well, the way I'm doing it right now, because it's because of the door. I don't remember why I did it like that with the door the first time. That it's like the door is out a bit, so I had to put planks, a siding for the whole front now. Otherwise it will look a bit weird. But I didn't really think about it first, because I just thought that I'll do as I did last time, but this time it's a lot bigger, so I should have, instead of just putting together some planks just on the inside with another plank to just patch the inside, I should have just put a post there to nail the plank into. But no, I did not do that, and I did not feel like just breaking it all up, because it will still work. And I did a post thing on the next one, and I put a extra support there instead, so it should work. But anyway, here from me in the darkness of Sweden, over and out.